Sir, this is a Java program. Okay, this is a Java file. I have to write the things, okay, which is related to Java. Okay, but this is variable declaration. This is variable initialization. It's a normal English sentence, right? I cannot write anything I wish to. Therefore, even if I want to document something, even if I want to write something in my Java program, I have to treat it as a comment here. So, whenever we talk about comments here, comments are additional information which does not affect the execution of a program. Meaning, I can add, what are comments here? They are additional information. Okay, I can write it down into my program, but that will not have any impact on the execution. It will not have any impact on the execution. So how do we, there are various comments here, but I will give you two types of comments here. Okay, double forward slash. We call this as what? We call this as single line comment here. Meaning, if I write anything after forward slash, double forward slash, it would be treated as a comment. So comment would be there in my program, but that will not get executed. And also I have something called as multi-line comment. Okay, how do I write multi-line comment? Forward slash asterisk, and I have to write multi-line comment here, and I have to terminate using C. Okay, so this is nothing but comments here. So if at all I want to have information on your program, I have to write it as double forward slash. I have to have it as double forward slash. Now when these two lines, you have treated it as a comment. So comment meaning that would be there in my program, but it will not affect the execution. Got the clarity? This is variable declaration, this is variable initialization, and this is declaration and initialization. If you want, you can write it down over here. Okay, if you want here, you can write this entire statement here. Okay, variable declaration and initialization. Got the clarity? This is all about it, guys. Okay, first line is a declaration, second is initialization, and declaration and initialization. And if you want to write multi-line comment, how will you write? Forward slash star, and you write this is a Java program. This is a Java program. Okay, and you have to terminate using forward slash that way. So that way you'll have a beautiful program. Got it? So whatever you want, you can write it within this data here. So it becomes a very, very useful process here. You can write however you want it. See, you can write like this also, doesn't matter. Okay, now this is nothing but what? Multi-line comment here. You have to start from forward slash star and write whatever you want and end it with asterisk and forward slash. This is all about multi-line comment. Got the clarity? Perfect. So we have understood how do we work around with variables and data types. Similarly, I will enhance this program here. How, sir? Okay, how will you enhance this program, sir? I will tell you in a beautiful manner. I will tell you here. Okay, so here, what I do, you know, when I try to print the age and name, the age and name will be printed. Okay, now age and name will be printed, but I want it in a beautiful sentence format. Age of a student is 20. Name of the student is Jerry. So I want it in a beautiful sentence format. So therefore, what will I do, you know? In double quotes, I will tell student age equal to plus age. So what is happening over here? Whatever I give in double quotes will be printed as it is. Whatever I give in double quotes will be printed as it is. Plus age meaning I am concatenating the data. Age value is 20. I'm trying to concat, append it. Okay. So therefore, now when I execute it, see, I compile my program and I interpret my program. Can you see? Student age equals to 20. I'm getting it into a beautiful format here. This is what I just wanted to tell. But if you want a space here, again, you have to give it within the double quotes itself. So now what will happen? Student age equal to, that age will get appended. Similarly, you can write student name is double quotes. If you give a place here, it doesn't matter. See, now when you execute a Java program here, look what output you will get here. See, when you execute it here, student age is Jerry. There's no spacing at all. Why? Sir, you have given a space over here. No, sir, it doesn't matter. You have to give a space within the double quotes. So what happens? Student name is a space plus name, meaning the name will get concatenated immediately. Okay, now, so that's what we are supposed to make use of this entire data here. Okay, now when I compile my program, see, I compile it, I interpret it. So did I get it in a beautiful format now? See, student age equals to 20, student name is Jerry. I'm getting it into a beautiful format. This is all about concatenation. How do you concat the data or append the data in order to get desired output? Got the clarity here? Clear? Right. So similarly, if you want to do it in a single line also you can do. How, sir? How, sir? Can you tell me, sir? 100%. See, I can also write it as age plus name. So when I tell age plus name, I am concatenating an int and string value. So immediately the data would get concatenated without giving any space here. So it's a string, no? Jerry is a string. So Jerry plus age is going to get concatenated. So 20 Jerry will get executed. But if I want to give a space between them, what am I supposed to do here? I have to append one space here. How will I append one space here? Plus give a space plus name. Now what will happen here? 20 plus space plus Jerry. So it gets appended beautifully. 20 space Jerry. So this is what we are supposed to understand when it comes to the working. Okay, how do we work around with the data here? Got the clarity here? Okay, now, so this is what we have done from a couple of days, guys. Okay, we saw the overview about Java and we started with variables, data types, and execution of the Java programs. Okay.